Today I will show how to create a logo using AI and how to edit in Photoshop. First go to gravitywrite.com and start writing for free. Now create a account. You can create an account. After create an account you can see this page and scroll down and go to image prompts and logo design idea. Now enter your business name and enter description. Now create content. Now generate logo design idea menu. Now select one and copy the description. Now go to Copilot. It is a bin.com. Now join and create personal account. Now paste the description here. Now create. Now generate many logos of it. You can download anyone. Now click download. Now go to BG remove. Upload the image. Now download here. Now open the Photoshop and add the logo to here. Now adjust the logo. Add the text. Now hide the background and go to file and export per screen. Open Photoshop mockup and add to logo to here. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below.